Hello, Crazy here with another unboxing. Today, the October Loot Crate DX. It's a big box. This is about $50 something with shipping per month. It's their higher end crate. I believe the theme for this month was horror. So let's break it open and see what we got. I will put all the information and a link down in the description. We open it up, that's what you'll see. Usually they have some paper covering all this. I guess they changed that. I'm not sure what this is on the inside of the box. It's kind of cool. Alright, first item is it's a sweatshirt. It's large. It's from Scream. It's really thick, heavy. So if you get cold, this will work for you perfectly. Alright, next item is a Ash vs. Evil Dead chainsaw power bank. See what it is. I think it's like a fast charger or portable charger or something. Yep, I believe so. Let's get the little connectors on the back there. And it comes with to charge it. It's actually kind of cool. It's a little big. And I just drop stuff on the ground all the time. Next item is from The Thing, some kind of Bonton's monster. Says what it is there on the side. Yeah, I put that right there. Alright, the pin is from Hellraiser 3. The theme was horror. Warning: coffee dweller zombie mug inside. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's got zombies around the side from The Walking Dead. If you look in the inside, there's I guess a dead zombie or something in there. Not sure. On the bottom it says, "Do not microwave. Hand wash only, do not soak." Kind of cool. Alright. This is Full Moon presents Delirium. Is this like a comic book? Yeah. No. Looks like it just talks about horror movies. There's a horror alligator poster inside. Just looks like it talks about different movies. Interesting. Last item is a print. Evil Dead 2. It's actually numbered. It's 7,475 out of 17,000. So a lot of people that get this box. That is just a lot of people. 17,000 people. And here's the box just fell. Good thing it was empty. Here's the cheat sheet. The John Carpenter's The Thing statuette. The Walking Dead zombie mug. The Evil Dead variant art print. The Scream fleece sweater. It's more of a sweatshirt though. And this was bonus Delirium magazine. Enjoy this full issue of Delirium magazine featuring an exclusive Loot Crate article. And then the Ash versus the Evil Dead chainsaw replica power bank. And I will definitely be taking some pictures and so you can see the stuff a little bit better. So that's the end of this box. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Till next time, stay crazy.